Welcome to Learning English at Home. In this lesson, we'll practice real English conversations at the airport, from check-in and security screening to boarding your flight and passing immigration. These dialogues will help you speak naturally and confidently anywhere in the world. Learning tip: listen carefully, repeat each line aloud, and pay attention to polite travel phrases. Don't forget to follow, like, and share to keep learning real-life English conversations. Ready to travel with English? Let's begin.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to Sydney, please.
Good morning, sir. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
All right. Please place it on the scale. Perfect. It's 21 kilograms, within the 23-kilo limit.
That's good. How many bags am I allowed in total?
You can check in 2 bags, up to 23 kilograms each, and take 1 carry-on.
Great. Could I also have a window seat, please?
Let me check. Yes, there's one available near the middle of the plane, seat 42A. Would you like that?
Yes, that's perfect.
Excellent. Do you have any liquids, batteries, or restricted items in your checked luggage?
No, just clothes and shoes.
Perfect. Your bag is checked in to Sydney. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is C12, and boarding will begin at 9:45 a.m.
Thank you. What time should I go to the gate?
Please arrive at least 30 minutes before departure. Security and passport control can take some time.
Got it. Is the flight on time?
Yes, everything is on schedule.
Perfect. Could I also confirm my meal preference? I requested a vegetarian meal online.
Let me check. Yes, I can see your vegetarian meal here. It's confirmed.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, sir. Here's your passport and boarding pass. The security checkpoint is just ahead.
Great. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Have a pleasant flight, Mr. Parker.
Key phrases you learned today.
Checking in.
I'd like to check in for my flight to Sydney. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Please place your bag on the scale.
Baggage rules.
You're allowed 2 checked bags and 1 carry-on. Do you have any restricted items in your luggage? Your bag is checked in to Sydney.
Boarding and seating.
Could I have a window seat, please? Boarding will begin at 9:45 a.m. Have a pleasant flight.
Good morning, sir. Please place all your belongings in the trays for screening.
Sure. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please. Remove your laptop, tablet, and any large electronic devices and place them in a separate tray.
Got it. What about my phone and wallet?
Yes, please put them in the tray as well. Also, take off your jacket and belt.
Okay. Do I need to take off my shoes, too?
No, sir. You can keep your shoes on. The new TSA policy no longer requires shoe removal.
Thank you. Are liquids allowed?
Only small bottles under 100 milliliters, and they must be in a clear plastic bag.
Oh, I have a small bottle of perfume, 50 milliliters. Is that okay?
That's fine, as long as it's sealed in your plastic bag.
Great. Here it is.
Perfect. Thank you. Now, please walk through the scanner when you're ready.
Okay.
One moment, sir. Please step aside for a quick security check.
Sure, no problem.
All clear. Thank you for your cooperation. You may collect your items.
Thanks. Oh, where should I put my laptop after the scan?
You can repack everything at the table just ahead. Please make sure you have all your belongings before you leave.
Will do. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks. You too. Well, have a nice day.
Thank you. Safe travels.
Key phrases you learned today.
Before screening,
Do I need to take out my laptop?
please put your phone and wallet in the tray.
Take off your jacket and belt, please.
Liquids and rules.
Are liquids allowed?
Only bottles under 100 milliliters.
It's fine if it's sealed in a clear plastic bag.
After screening,
Please walk through the scanner.
all clear. Thank you for your cooperation.
You may collect your items. Hi there. Excuse me, is this the gate for Flight 472 to Sydney?
Hello, sir. Yes, this is Gate C12 for Flight 472 to Sydney. Are you flying with us today?
Yes, I am. Here's my boarding pass.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Everything looks good. Boarding will begin in about 20 minutes.
Great. Is the flight on schedule?
Yes, it's right on time. We'll start boarding by groups, beginning with business class, then rows 30 to 45.
I see. I'm in seat 42A. That's near the middle, right?
Yes, that's correct. You'll be in the second boarding group.
Perfect. May I ask if there's any chance for an upgrade today?
Let me check. Economy Plus is available for $75 extra with more legroom. Would you like to upgrade?
That sounds tempting, but I'll stay with my current seat this time.
No problem at all. Your seat is still a good one.
Thanks. Also, can I board early to store my carry-on?
Yes, you can board right after business class. Just wait for the second announcement.
Got it. Do I need to show my passport again when boarding?
Yes, please have both your passport and boarding pass ready. We'll scan them at the gate.
All right. And is it okay if I fill my water bottle before getting on the plane?
Of course, there's a water refill station right behind those seats.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Parker. We'll start boarding shortly. Please listen for announcements.
Will do. Thanks again and have a nice day.
You too, sir. Have a pleasant flight.
Key phrases you learned today.
Before boarding.
Is this the gate for Flight 472 to Sydney?
Boarding will begin in about 20 minutes.
Is the flight on schedule?
Seats and upgrades.
May I ask if there's any chance for an upgrade?
Economy Plus is available for $75 extra with more legroom.
I'll stay with my current seat.
Documents and boarding.
Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Can I board early to store my carry-on?
We'll start boarding shortly.
Good morning. May I see your passport and arrival card, please?
Good morning. Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. What's the purpose of your visit to Australia?
I'm here for a business trip. I'll be attending a technology conference in Sydney.
I see. How long will you be staying?
Just 1 week. I'll be leaving next Friday.
All right. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. Here's the flight confirmation for my return on the 18th.
Perfect. Thank you. Where will you be staying during your visit?
At the Sunrise Hotel in downtown Sydney.
Okay. And are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me.
Do you have any items to declare, such as food, plants, or large amounts of cash?
No, I don't. Only personal items and clothes.
All right. Please place your fingers on the scanner for fingerprint verification.
Okay.
Thank you. Please look at the camera for a quick photo.
Sure.
Perfect. Everything looks fine. You're approved for entry.
Thank you. That was quick.
You're welcome. Here's your passport and entry stamp. Your luggage carousel number is displayed on the screen ahead.
Got it. One question. Where can I find the customs declaration area?
After you collect your bags, just follow the green Nothing to Declare lane if you have no restricted items.
Great. Thanks for explaining that.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay in Australia, Mr. Parker.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Welcome to Sydney.
Key phrases you learned today.
Documents and questions.
May I see your passport and arrival card, please? What's the purpose of your visit? How long will you be staying?
Verification and rules.
Do you have a return ticket? Please place your fingers on the scanner. Do you have any items to declare?
Entry and completion.
You're approved for entry. Follow the green Nothing to Declare lane. Enjoy your stay in Australia.
Great job! You've just learned real English for every airport step, from checking in to passing security, boarding, and talking to immigration officers. Learning tip: practice every day. Repeat the dialogues and focus on tone, rhythm, and confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's keep learning English for travel and real life together.